The bad smell of feet is a very common condition, technically known as bromidrosis, which generates great discomfort in those suffering from it. It can be caused by bacteria that stay in wet places such as shoes and socks, and which, in addition to sweaty secretions from the foot, cause the unpleasant odor in the feet. In addition, the bad smell can be aggravated also due to metabolic disorders or the consumption of certain foods or medications. If you want to find effective and natural solutions to end this problem, read on this Uncomo article about how to remove the bad smell of feet with folk remedies. You may also be interested in folk remedies for bad body odor. Steps to follow. 1. A very popular home remedy is to use apple vinegar to remove the bad smell from the feet, as it is a product that helps regulate the pH level in the skin and eliminate those bacteria that cause the bad smell. Just mix in a bowl hot water with 5 large spoons of apple vinegar, and dip your feet for 1 minute. At the end of the treatment, wash your feet thoroughly and make sure they are dry. 2. Another of the most effective and recognized products to eliminate the bad smell of feet is baking soda. You can use it in 2 different ways. Sprinkle 2 small spoons of baking soda inside the shoe, which will also help to absorb moisture. It is preferable to do it at night. Perform a foot bath by adding 2 tablespoons of sodium bircarbonate in a container of warm water. Leave the feet to soak for 1-2 minutes. 3. Sage is a plant that, in addition to having multiple healing properties, is excellent for stopping excessive sweating and fighting bacteria. Therefore, it is a great natural remedy to remove the bad smell of feet. You can place a few dry sage leaves inside your shoes to absorb the smell or leave your feet to soak in an infusion of sage for 1 minute. You'll notice the difference right away. 4. Another very effective plant to combat the bad smell of feet is ginger. To use it as a home remedy, cut a medium root of ginger and chop it very well. Then put the zest into a saucepan with water, let it brew for 1 minute and strain it. Massage your feet with the resulting liquid in the evenings before going to sleep. 5. To solve the problems of bad body odors such as unpleasant odors on the feet, we can take advantage of the benefits of black tea. The best formula is to add 4 sachets of black tea in a liter of boiling water. Allow to cool and place it in a container in which you can immerse your feet. Leave the feet to soak for at least 2 minutes. 6. A magnificent home remedy to remove the bad smell of feet and avoid, above all, excessive sweating is to perform a foot bath with kosher salt, a kind of pure salt and medium coarse grain. Add a little of this salt in a bowl of warm water and dip your feet for 1 minute. This treatment will help you minimize odors to a large extent. 7. In addition to using folk remedies to remove the bad smell of feet, it is desirable to take letters in the matter to end this problem at the root. To achieve this, we invite you to consult our articles. Tips. It is important to use cotton socks to allow the feet to transverse properly and avoid bad smell. It is also recommended to wear leather shoes to ensure proper ventilation. Products for controlling sweating on the feet and the bad smell of shoes are also very useful.